Greetings everyone. In today's tutorial, we will quickly learn to download your Facebook data and as well temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Facebook account. We will also see how the data is saved on your computer. For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's open our browser and go to facebook.com. Sign in with your credentials. After you are logged in, click on Accounts, then click on Settings and Privacy and on Settings. Now you can see your Facebook information. Click on it. Now here is all the information you'd want for your Facebook account. If you want any specific photos or videos, so you can choose this option. Let me open it. So here are the options to choose photos or videos. You can choose a specific video or choose photos and choose all photos or albums. And then choose a destination like Dropbox or download to your device. Let me choose download on the device and click on next. You can choose specific things you want to save or everything. You can choose to select all and create a file. You can also directly come into this page. Let me go back to the settings, click on download information. So I am on the same page and everything is selected. But of course, you can deselect that you would not want to backup and choose what you want. After doing this, choose high quality, the HTML format works fine, and choose a date if there are any specific dates, or leave it to all of my data, and then create a file. A copy of your data will be created. So depending on how big or small your files and data are, like messages, photos, etc., it will take the time as accordingly. You can close this and Facebook will send you an email and as well a notification. This FB has very little data, so it was done in about less than 5 minutes. So as you can see, I get the notification. You will also get an email for this. You can also check the data here. Let me go to the main FB page. Go to Accounts, Privacy and Settings, Settings, and then your Facebook information. And click here. So you will see these available copies. Mine is only 38 MB, so the file size really depends on your content. Anyway, simply download it. So the file has been downloaded. Let me open the zip file. So this is how all your data will come. You can check it individually, or if you open this index.html file, so you can see everything here. So here are all photos and videos and everything. Here's the message, all the conversation details. So this is how you can download all your Facebook data. Now if you want to deactivate your account, so go to the same previous links and on your Facebook information, you can see deactivate and deletion. So you can deactivate your account. This is temporary. Your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have said. You will be able to continue using Messenger. This is temporary, so you can get back to Facebook later. But if you delete the account, this is permanent. You won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have said on Facebook. Your Messenger and all your messages will be deleted. So choose what you want to do. Of course, I'm not deleting the account, but this is how you can do it. I hope you learned something new. Thank you very much.